I recently purchased a twisted potato slicer machine, and I must say it has revolutionized the way I prepare and enjoy snacks. This innovative kitchen gadget has quickly become a staple in my culinary arsenal, delivering beautifully twisted and deliciously crispy potato treats with minimal effort. The twisted potato slicer machine is incredibly easy to use, even for someone like me who isn't particularly skilled in the kitchen. Its user-friendly design and straightforward operation make it suitable for both experienced chefs and novices alike. All you need to do is insert a potato, secure it with the provided holder, and turn the crank handle. Within seconds, you'll witness the transformation of an ordinary potato into an enticing spiral shape. One of the standout features of this machine is its exceptional build quality. Crafted from durable materials, it feels sturdy and reliable, ensuring its longevity. The stainless steel blades are sharp and efficiently slice through the potato, creating consistent spirals every time. The versatility of the twisted potato slicer machine is another aspect worth highlighting. While it excels at creating twisted potato chips, it can also be used to prepare other spiral-cut snacks like zucchini fries, sweet potato spirals, or even apple twists for a unique twist on dessert. The possibilities are endless, and this machine opens up a world of culinary creativity. Cleaning up after using the twisted potato slicer machine is a breeze. The components disassemble easily, allowing for quick and thorough cleaning. I particularly like that the blades are detachable, ensuring no bits of potato get stuck in hard-to-reach places. In conclusion, the twisted potato slicer machine is a game-changer in snack preparation. Its ease of use, sturdy build, versatility, and outstanding results make it an essential tool for anyone who enjoys crispy, spiral-cut snacks. Whether you're a potato chip lover or an aspiring culinary enthusiast, this machine will undoubtedly elevate your snacking experience to new heights. I highly recommend investing in this kitchen gadget. It's a true winner.